Yeah, he's hitting his spot. His wings have popped out since I took a picture too.
He's trying to find a spot.
They're like sloths.
They're so cute.
See, now his wings are straight out. That's what I'm saying. It takes a long time for them to come out, but we're getting like the whole process here. We've got this guy, and then this guy that's kind of halfway out, and this guy's got his wings done.
It's crazy. They're all up these trees and everywhere. That's so cool.
Yeah, I've never seen one crawl into its spot.
You can see it's green.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They live underground.
See, why can't my camera look like that?
Well, someday you'll have a phone like this and it'll be good.
Get your own job and can pay your own bills.
So that's what happens. They live underground, and it's like every 12 years are their big season. I mean, you'll find them every year.
This is a good season.
But I think this is the cicada season, because you see how they just blend right in with the tree too.
Look, he's moving.
This one?
Oh, there he comes. I'm coming. I want to watch this one real quick.
Oh, cool.
It's like he was asleep and he just woke up.
No. Hey, little guy.
I was trying to push out. Can they can't fly right now, can they?
I don't know.
So just crawl, will they just crawl up here?
I don't know, honey. I've never watched this long.
Look at Hadley.
Hadley's like, where is everybody looking at that thing instead of me?
She's enjoying her toy. Look at her.
Great.
He's ripping it. Oh yeah, he's about to get out.
Come on, buddy, you can do it.
Look, his back looks like it has a smiley face on it. From like this angle.
There it goes.
And their wings, they become like dark and iridescent and real shiny.
Look at all these. Look at all these.
Oh, I know. I was like, ooh, it looks delicious.
There's
Well, that one's not that's not the delicious one. This one's delicious.
Oh, there's a little booty.
Yeah, I'm not messing with that.
That's so awesome.
If it jumps out and starts flying, I'll get scared. Is this the one? Yes.
Oh, he's still looking for his spot. Their eyes are so big. This guy's working on it. His little wings popped out.
Well, if they're on this tree, they gotta be somewhere on that tree too.
Oh, yeah. Go look. I see some.
Don't watch. He's still crawling, man. He's making good time. Those little claws.
Those claws stick so
They look
well.
pretty vicious, you know?
They stick really well.
But it is. That's because so they can stick. And
He's letting the air hit those wings so they will dry out so they can actually fly.
And there he goes. Back up. Yeah, he might start flying somewhere.
this is so awesome. This must be the time that they come out.
Why does she do this?
I don't know, baby.
Why do you always go for the eyes first? You're so vicious.
Because.
Look how cool it looks. I could just...
Look how his wings are kind of bubbling.
I think the air's getting up underneath them and finally blowing them out.
Come on, camera.
Look at him. He's going quick.
Ow.
Yeah, he's still got some changing to do. I think once he dries out, he gets darker. That is so cool.
Watch him go all the way up there.
That's all right. Yeah, we don't want to watch this from the very, very beginning like he's got.
We'll be here forever.
We'd be here all day.
Yeah.
I do want to kind of get the moment that his wings pop down, you know?
Ready? Come here.
He's been like this for a minute. Oh, there he goes. He's moving. Look at the little guy.
Oh, baby's twitching.
Look, he's
seizuring. Look at him.
like his wings are about to pop.
That one's moving too.
Look at him.
E-baller.
So let's name him. No. Come on, you can get those wings
He still
down.
has stuff on his tail he has to rip off.
Maybe.
It looks like. I don't know.
I just want to see his wings pop down.
That's cool.
Look at him. Look up close. I mean, like, look at him.
Watch him stop right here.
Oh, that'd be so cute.
I wish he'd stop like right here.
That green is like a turquoise. It's so pretty. I mean, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if they have an app that emphasizes your camera. They have to.
Yeah.
E-baller.
That scare you?
E-high five.
Look, the wind's getting up underneath us.
Yeah, he's ready to get.
Mm-hmm.
He wants to start going.
Let's keep track of Hadley, guys. Come on, buddy. Drop those wings down.
Somebody step in that dookie.
Nope,
No, I picked it up.
Uh,
I don't want to mow over it. That's gross. It'll spray all over me. Especially fresh. I'm blowing on him to see if...
no!
Hey, buddy. How are you doing? Are you about to fly away soon? There you go. That's it. Get you all dried off. Meanwhile,
You think the wind would like blow their wing off or something because it's so the wind sometimes can be powerful.
maybe that's why they can attach to trees. It kind of gives them leverage to hold
on tight.
on. There's this guy. Wow, he's made good timing.
I know.
He was down here. Now he's all the way up here. It's probably like they crawl until they just can't stand it anymore and they start popping open.
Do you think that maybe they crawl to get to a safe place? Maybe like
Yeah, to get up high so a predator doesn't get them. That makes sense.
I don't know. I don't want to be close to if it freaking starts flying.
I don't know if he's that advanced yet.
That's cool.
Come look at my camera, how it's... He gets all the details on his feet. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. How you doing down here? You got your wings out yet? Come on, little buddy. You're over here just floating, waiting. Ooh, oh, he's really high. Get up there. Another empty up there. You're starting to get your wings out. Oh. Cool. You can do it, buddy. Bugs. Alan, I'm watching his wings come out. There you go. Your buddy up there. Little legs spread out. Alan, I think you want to see it initially bust through. Oh. This guy here has stopped climbing, and he's kind of doing that vibrating thing. I don't know. It look almost, see the shiny part on the back? I wonder if that's where it first starts. You got pretty high though, and they do. See, there's an empty one up there too.
got higher than those ones did.
Right, yeah.
Just his legs came out.
Yeah, it's cute. He's like, help! I'm going on 15 minutes here. And I've got ants crawling up my legs. Big carpenter ants. But you can see that shiny coming through, you know? Alright, guys. Oh, look, his tump legs are coming up. They had been tucked in before.
Oh, he's twisting. He's going.
That's what I'm saying. I want to try and get his first, like, first hairs. So cool. Try to get. Like I said, it takes forever. They're very patient creatures. All right.